not very nice of your husband, is it, though? Throw you in the deep end first.
It was me that's been moaning. Here, let me.
So hopefully we do a good job. He'll come here as well. So I'm just going to go into the ear. Might be a bit noisy, okay?
That's right.
Feel a bit of resistance, so I think deep in your ear you've got a narrowing and the wax is stuck in that narrowing.
Yeah.
If I'm vacuuming it, it's not coming forward, so wiggle it out. Bringing it forward, so we are winning. That's one piece. Just a little bit of wax left deep in the ear.
Yeah.
It's not natural. All we want really is to get the sucker on the wax and it comes out in one go. But this, unfortunately for this, it's not. Going to use a different instrument.
It's weird when you get to a certain bit. It always makes me cough, you know, when you're poking things in my ears.
It's called the gag reflex. So there's a nerve called the Arnold's nerve.
It's just that little bit that makes it feel like it's dry and tickling your throat, isn't it?
There's only a little bit left, so we'll get this out. Wax is in a part of the ear called the anterior recess. It's a little cravat deep in your ear, the front part, and it's kind of hiding away there. So I've got just a little bit. I mean, if I don't get the last bit, I'm not too concerned. I just don't want to touch the ear canal wall because it's sensitive there. Excellent, got it all out.
Brilliant, thank you.
Yeah, how's that for you?
Yeah, great.
Yeah. Not uncomfortable at all? Or
No.
Brilliant. No. We were working on a very sensitive part of the ear canal. the outer part of the ear canal is made up of cartilage, and that's quite flexible and malleable, as you can see. But the inner 2/3, it's literally skin on bone.
Yeah.
And if you make contact with that, jumping out, you see.
Yeah,
It's being all extra cautious.
Yeah.
Now we've got it all.
Steady hands, haven't you?
Yeah. Friday afternoon.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So we have a client here who went and had his ear syringed yesterday at the doctor's, but it actually forced the wax further in. He actually wears hearing aids, but currently can't hear a thing without me. And relax. I was just unblocking my tube then.
Blimey, I can hear you.
Yeah, I was hoping. I didn't know whether you could, so I was talking to the microphone on the camera myself. There's just a bit of dead skin left at the base of the ear canal. That can be very noisy if I remove. I've peeled half of it off. I'll just see if I can peel the rest of it off. But if I can't, I'm not too concerned. It's not going to affect anything. I can see the whole eardrum now.
Wicked. I can hear you.
You seem very relieved.
I am. I thought I'd gone deaf.
Oh no, they just forced the wax further in with the water. It was right on your eardrum. Fantastic, all done. So there's a bit of dead skin there, removed 90% of it. That last 10%, it's on the bony part of the ear canal. If we make contact with that, it's going to be uncomfortable. It's not significant whatsoever. I will show you in the camera in a moment. The ear canal, as far as I'm concerned, your ears are cleaner than mine. So what I'll do, I'll stand you up, I'll turn you around. So we'll get you stereo now.
I never knew you were. If I knew you was here, I would have come years ago.
It's so funny. So when people watch me on YouTube and they realise I'm from Leicester and they contact me, they can't believe it. It's you're that guy from YouTube and you're in Leicester. What's the coincidence? It's so funny.
I'll be here a couple of times a year. You watch.
You're more than welcome. So until you head over towards. I'm blocking my tube. I watched a lot of the videos on YouTube.
Well, we only found you yesterday.
As
soon as... Sorry, I said, right, I said, we're going tomorrow.
That's a big piece.
Doctors said before Christmas for this.
Oh,
I still haven't fixed it.
Nice and clear. Yeah, you're cured. You can hear me even without your hearing aids, but even with your hearing aids in, you
Well, I even though I'm 40%, well 50% now, apparently it was from childhood.
Okay.
And it wasn't picked up. So what I do is I lip read.
Yeah.
Subconsciously lip read. But now I work in an open plan office and it's females. I can't hear females.
It's not always a bad thing.
We
could have between
I've
us.
got a meeting with the female is the lead. I'll put my hearing aids in.
Oh,
The blokes talk louder, don't they?
No, but even with your when you came in today, as soon as you took your hearing aids out, you couldn't hear a thing.
Not one thing. It was
no.
I was tapping the table to see if I could hear it, and I couldn't.
Well, you're cured now. You can pop your hearing aids back in, and I'll show you on the camera.